Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you my 2x2 Rubik's Cube. So yeah, I'm going to be opening it right now. Oh my goodness, how strong are these things? Oh my goodness, how strong are these? Okay, got the plastic kind of broken. Not like the whole toy, but like the cover, the wrapper. Right here. It has this really weird noise. So yeah, I'm going to try and model it up. Tricked you. So I actually solved it after modeling it up. It's not really that much of a real thing. You can just do this. So yeah. I'm going to actually model it up now. Okay, now you can see it's actually modelled up. So I'm going to try and solve it. So far it's kind of good. I'm so close to solving two sides on it. Yeah, I can solve two sides on the original cube. I just didn't make a video about it. I might soon. And I've done two sides. You can see the other sides aren't solved, but I've done two sides at least. So yeah, bye!